Here are my 10 top tips for traveling on a budget. If you're looking for tips for traveling on a budget, top tips for budget travel or how to save money when you're traveling, then you're in the right place. I love a good bargain, especially when it comes to saving money when traveling. Traveling is such a wonderful opportunity, and being able to travel on a budget makes it more accessible to people. 1. Choose your destination carefully. Some places are naturally more expensive or cheaper than where you call home. My first tip for traveling on a budget is to research places that are good for traveling on a budget. Maybe it's somewhere that's cheap and easy to get to, somewhere where the currency gets you good value because of the exchange rate, or somewhere that has a lower cost of living than home. 2. Avoid tourist traps. Big cities and tourist hotspots are often a lot more expensive than straying off the beaten track. Try and choose less well-known destinations if you can. Check out these hidden gems in Europe you must visit. Even within your destination, avoid restaurants on the main strip and try something down a sidewalk. The food will probably be better as well as cheaper. 3. Travel off-season. Sure, you might not be able to guarantee the weather, but your chosen destination will be a lot less busy and crowded. Not only will you save a lot of money, but you'll have it all to yourself. 4. Book in advance. Last-minute deals can be a godsend if you're traveling on a budget, but it's often cheaper and less stressful to book transport, accommodation, and activities well in advance. 5. Read others' backpacking experiences. Google A Backpacker's Guide to when you're planning. This way you'll be able to see immediately what a low-cost holiday looks like in your destination, and you should be able to get an idea about costs, accommodation, and activities. 6. Search for free things to do in your chosen destination. A great top tip for traveling on a budget is to look for free things to do wherever you're heading. It could be that certain museums are free on certain days or that there are local events on. Don't forget the classic free walking tour, a great way of seeing the city you are visiting. Just remember that it's customary to tip at the end. 7. Get a local SIM. Data roaming or paying for Wi-Fi abroad can be extortionate. One way to save money when you're traveling is to get a local SIM card with locally priced data packages. You'll want the data for navigating your way around and keeping in touch with home. 8. Bring your own water bottle and coffee cup. I never travel without my reusables now. Taking your own water bottle means you can fill up for free from fountains, cafes, or mountain springs. Having your own coffee cup often gets you a discount. 9. Work as you travel. An obvious way to save money while you're traveling is to earn money doing it. Many hostels offer free or reduced rate accommodation if you put in a few shifts, and there's also the option of bartending, teaching abroad, or getting a working holiday visa. 10. Decide on your budget and stick to it. There are very few places that can't be traveled on a low budget. There are free things to do in every destination, so you just need to manage your expectations of how many expensive activities you can do there or how often you can eat out at restaurants. For example, once you've planned your budget, try not to overspend. It'll only cause you more stress later on your trip or when you get home.